Today is Wednesday, January 14th, your final day to register for the CAPS workshop at Early Bird Pricing. If you're in security, HR, or organizational leadership, this message is for you. I'm a professional outreach virtual team member for ASIS International North Shore Chapter. We're hosting the Critical Aggression Prevention System workshop with Dr. John Burns on January 28th. 3 hours, fully virtual professional certification. Register today for $45. Tomorrow it's $65. VIP option at $95 includes recordings and full-year access to all ASIS North Shore events. CAPS is the gold standard for behavioral threat assessment, evidence-based, legally defensible, used by the FBI and Secret Service. You'll learn to identify precursors to aggressive behavior before incidents occur. Register today, you get immediate access to the CAPS mobile app. 2 weeks to prepare before the workshop. You'll arrive ready. When you register, you'll receive 2 emails. First, your secure portal link for the virtual workshop. Second, your CAPS training app credentials from the Center for Aggression Management. VIP members get workshop recordings and access to all 2026 ASIS North Shore events and follow-up sessions. Register now at www.northshoreasis.com. Early bird pricing ends tonight at midnight. Questions? Email info@northshoreasis.com. Don't wait. Register today. See you January 28th.